very excited to show you our new listing in the Heights. It's zoned to Travis Elementary. It's directly across the street from the very popular Norhill Park. Easy access to I-10 and very walkable for many restaurants along the Studewood Strip. Now let's look at some of the key features inside this home. This 3,912 square foot house is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with everything you could want. But it also includes a study, a mudroom, and a game room. It is the popular farmhouse style with high ceilings, tall windows and doors, wide plank flooring, an open floor plan with incredible living area and casual dining, large master bedroom with a beautiful master bathroom and an oversized closet. If you're interested, you can reach out to us at our website, www.aspirefindhomes.com. Also, if you want to see it in person, it's open every Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. Please come out. We'd love to show you the home.